What an absolutely gorgeous bob makeover. This is such a simple and chic bob style. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So if you've been thinking of doing something new and exciting with your hair, and you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hair changes, hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now here we have another beautiful bob with bangs. This is such a cute style, and we're seeing a lot of the bangs this season. So many women are just kind of placing them in their hair and adding a little bit of something special to their strands. It's really like an easy upgrade. So if you're looking for something new and you're just kind of like toying with the idea, the bangs would be a great option for something simple and chic. Here's another simple and chic hair idea that you can play around with, and that is adding layers to your hair. Nice, simple, easy upgrade. Nothing too drastic, but it does offer up that simple and, you know, nice little hair change. Next up, we have someone in for a cut refresh. She gets a beautiful blunt bob style here. Another one of my favorite trends for 2023. So pretty. Next up, we have a $750 color transformation. Wow. Seems like a very expensive hair change. Ooh, wow, beautiful bright blonde makeover. And then we move into some more Barbie hair. So we've been seeing a lot of that Barbie pink hair trend floating around. Have you guys seen that movie? I absolutely loved it. Beautiful dimensional pink. This is so pretty. absolutely beautiful layered hairstyle. This is another option once again if you want a subtle hair change and nothing too drastic. Especially as we enter in that fall season, a lot of women are looking to do something different with their hair. And I honestly think that layers and bangs is a great way to do something different without anything too dramatic. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.